Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be discussing Uniswap. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy Uni, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Uniswap empowers developers, liquidity providers, and traders to participate in a decentralized financial marketplace that is open and accessible to all. By providing open-source software on an automated Ethereum-based crypto exchange with its own Uni governance token, Uniswap is not owned and operated by a single entity, and uses a relatively new type of trading model known as an automated liquidity protocol. With Uniswap being a decentralized exchange, it means users maintain control of their funds at all times, as opposed to a centralized exchange, which eliminates the risk of losing assets if the exchange is ever hacked. Uniswap is currently the fourth largest decentralized finance platform and has over $3 billion worth of crypto assets locked away on its protocol. Uniswap's network is designed to facilitate the buying and selling of crypto assets in a way that mirrors a traditional exchange, and it does this by using smart contracts, which allow users, known as liquidity providers, to deposit crypto assets into pools. The Uniswap platform was built in 2018 on top of the Ethereum blockchain, making it fully compatible with all ERC20 tokens and infrastructure, including wallet services like MetaMask and MyEtherWallet. This open-source platform can be used by anyone who is interested in creating their own decentralized exchanges, and it allows users to list tokens on the exchange for free. So, who created Uniswap? The founder of Uniswap, Hayden Adams, created one of the most widely used decentralized applications built on Ethereum. Uniswap was launched in November of 2018, and a post made by the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin inspired Hayden to design the Uniswapprotocol. Hayden began Uniswap as a side project, and through the creation of Uniswap, he was able to learn the required skills necessary to transition from a mechanical engineer to a developer in the cryptocurrency space. Before Adams was inspired to begin building the Uniswap protocol, he worked as a software engineer, where he performed simulations and engineering design explorations for clients in the aerospace and automobile industry. Uniswap is both a cryptocurrency and a decentralized exchange, meaning that there is no third party involved, and no registration is required. So you simply connect a crypto wallet to Uniswap's application, and you can trade cryptocurrencies. Uniswap was built on Ethereum's blockchain technology, and users on Uniswap need to pay gas fees with Ethereum. Since Uniswap is built on Ethereum, it cannot list tokens built on other blockchains, and users can only swap ERC20 tokens. The exchange operates as an automated market maker, which is a type of decentralized exchange that offers various pairs of tokens to trade, where prices are set using mathematical formulas and trades occur using smart contracts. There are currently 1 billion Uni tokens available, and there are Uniswap's native tokens that are used for governance. These tokens give holders the right to vote on new developments and changes to the platform, and to decide how minted tokens should be distributed to the community and developers. and also regulates any changes to fee structures. There are several ways to invest in Uni. The first is to buy it through an exchange like any other cryptocurrency. Several top cryptocurrency exchanges list Uniswap. Getting started with Uniswap is relatively straightforward. As long as you already have an ERC-20 supported wallet setup such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Portis, or Fortmatic. Once you have one of those wallets, you need to add Ether to it in order to trade on Uniswap and pay for gas or Ethereum transaction fees. Alternatively, it can be traded on the Uniswap exchange. In order to do that, you would need to buy another cryptocurrency first and transfer it to a crypto wallet. On the Uniswap application, you would then connect your wallet and then make your trade. Let's talk a little bit more about those wallets. So the safest form of storage is a trusted crypto wallet with good ratings to avoid the theft of assets, the loss of access keys, and so that you know you truly own the coins and tokens that you purchase. The wallets that I mentioned earlier are compatible with the Uniswap ecosystem, but let's talk a little bit more about those wallets. The first wallet is the MetaMask software wallet that is trusted by more than 21 million users globally, and it can be used to swap tokens directly from your desktop or mobile device. You are given a key vault, secure login methods, a token wallet, and access to a token exchange. You can also use this wallet to connect to blockchain applications. The next wallet is the Coinbase software wallet that gives you access to a wide spectrum of decentralized innovation. You can buy and store ERC-20 tokens, participate in airdrops and ICOs, collect rare digital art and other collectibles, browse decentralized applications, shop at stores that accept cryptocurrency, and send crypto to anyone around the world. The last wallet is Wallet Connect, which is a convenient open-source tool that enables a mobile wallet to easily connect to decentralized web applications and interact with them directly from your phone. It is a more secure way to use dApps than desktop or browser-based wallets such as MetaMask. Being integrated in Bridge Wallet, Wallet Connect gives you a one-tap access to the vast majority of DeFi platforms and web decentralized applications. So what do we like about Uniswap? Uniswap leverages multiple crypto assets, including its native Uni cryptocurrency, to provide a service similar to a traditional exchange, except there is no central operator or administrator, making it a fully decentralized crypto exchange platform. Unlike most exchanges, which are designed to take fees, Uniswap is designed to function as a tool for the community to trade tokens without intermediaries. Uniswap eliminates the need to match buyers and sellers to determine prices and execute trades by using simple math equations, pools of tokens, and Ethereum to do the same job without any hassle. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Uniswap. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.